In this video, I'm going to introduce three pretty straightforward elements that we add to section off our table. We have Thead, Tfoot, and Tbody. So these don't really do much except break up your table into logical sections where we can tell this is the header, this is the footer, and this is the body of the table. This is the main data of the table in the case of the body. This would be the set of headers, and you often won't have footers on a table, but you might, for example, if you have totals or other information at the bottom that is not really part of the main data set, but it's cumulative or an average or something at the bottom. So all we do is wrap our rows with a Thead or Tbody or Tfoot. So I don't think we have a good use for a Tfoot on this table, but we do have Thead right here. Wrap that around our row of headers. And we could have more than one row of headers. For example, this table I showed earlier of the largest cities in the world, we've got 2 rows of headers, if you can see that here. Definition, population, area, that all is under city proper, and then we have population and area for metropolitan area and urban area. So these over here are actually 2 rows tall. City, country, skyline, UN 2018 population estimate, and then this is one row, and so on. So this all should be wrapped in a Thead element to make it clear that this is all the header of the table, or headers, and then this is the body of the table all the way down to the bottom. I don't think there's a foot. So let's go add our table body. I guess before, let's just refresh and you'll see nothing changes. And then I can add my Tbody right there. I will cut that and paste it down after my last row. So this is important both just to write nice semantic markup and easy to understand tables, also for accessibility purposes, especially if you have complicated tables. Tables are just not very accessible in the first place. They are a pain to access using a screen reader, but in general, you want to follow best practices, and if you do have a table, especially a more complicated one, designate the table head and the table body, and the foot if you have one.